Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to Macmerise. Today we're going to show you how you can use your decibel headphones in the proper manner. Now there are a lot of ways to enjoy music on your decibel headphones. Today we are going to cover most of it, so make sure that you watch the video fully and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. So the first and foremost thing we're going to do is show you how to switch on the headphones. Switching on the headphones is a very simple process. All you need to do is flick this switch here. Once you flick the switch, you're going to see that a light starts flashing here, and this light tells you that your Bluetooth is now going to get connected. If you've already paired your Bluetooth like me, you are going to directly get connected to your last paired device. Let me show it to you. So as you can see here, our Macmerise Decibel is already connected. Let's go to the settings. So now here, let me forget this device. Now once you forget this device, your Macmerise headphone is now disconnected. Now once your headphone is disconnected, all you need to do is click on pair new device. Once you click on pair new device, the name of your device is going to show up here. Click on the name of the device and click this if you want to receive call announcements, and click pair. Once you click pair, your headphones are now connected. Now once you've connected, there's not a lot to do on the mobile itself except for switch on music and enjoy, but there are some features and buttons that you need to know about. So let's talk about that. Here you have the mode button and EQ button. With the help of this, you can change the equalizer or the various modes. This is the volume down and track back button. With this, you can either volume down the headphone or change the track to the previous track. This is the play, pause and call button. Let's say you get a call, you can receive the call using the play, pause button, or pause your music using this button. After that, we have the volume up and the track next. So with the volume up, tracks next, what happens is you can click this button for changing your volume, long press it for changing the track. Now let's talk about the various other features here, right? You obviously have microphones. This is the charging slot here. This is the aux slot. With the aux slot, what you can do is actually connect wired music to your headphones, and this works without the battery being on. So yes, if in case you run out of battery, you can always use the aux cable provided in the box. You can also use your SD card here. With the SD card slot, you can just put your SD card in with the music and change the mode using the mode button. Let's say the headphone needs to be extended to match your head size. All you need to do is pull here, and as you can see, these metal bars, they have ridges on them, and you can set it according to your height. The cushions here are really soft and comfortable and can be removed if you want to clean it, though I would not probably advise it. All in all, this is a very easy to use pair of headphones, and let's say you want to travel, all you need to do is fold them like this, and there you go. They are in travel size. Now this was a very simple tutorial on how to use your headphones. If you did like the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video guys. I'll see you in the next one.